Hi guys, welcome back to the A and A channel. So today we will be making slime for all you slime lovers. So let's get started. So the first ingredient you will need is
some
obvious
type of
glue.
Any type.
type.
We have this blue one here today. We
have
have
this
this
white
white one,
and
we have
this
this
clear glue.
Okay, so put it up here.
So the next thing you will need,
Sorry, guys.
the next thing you will need is dun 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 shaving cream.
This is optional, but we are
Weird.
gonna decide to use it.
And after that is another optional thing, which is lotion
It makes it stretchy and soft.
and
Another-
smell good. If you
Next
have to.
thing, glitter.
Yep.
Optional again.
Optional again.
Plus, like glitter, like color changing powder.
And then the last thing you will need is contact solution.
And you could also use baking soda if you want to. You don't have to, but you can.
So
Let's
go.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be making this blue type of slime.
today I will be making this type of slime with some colors.
Oh, and we also have foam.
Yes. Oh, also we have this foam beads. So let's get on to the video.
Okay, so we're gonna pour our glue in. Should I use a lot or just?
Doesn't matter. Okay.
Because you probably won't use it because you don't like it.
Yep. So now that we have added our glue,
I haven't. You have.
now that I have added my glue, I will add the next thing you will need.
Hold on, it's taking a sec. Give it a sec.
Is this.
I'm not adding shaving cream to mine because mine is blue. I'm not adding shaving cream to mine.
You know shaving cream won't affect it.
I'm not going to. So instead, I'm gonna add some glitter because you could never go wrong with too much glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that. See, blue glitter.
Now, I am going to mix mine up. And so now I will be adding some blue glitter. I love glitter.
I think. How many more slimes are we gonna make after this? As many as we want.
We will probably be making about 3 more slimes after this. Maybe
Okay.
2.
Okay, so yeah, I was gonna add purple, but I'm like, I don't want to add purple with the blue because I'll mess it up a little. So after how much we're gonna admit how much
You know, adding purple actually makes it look really, really pretty.
I know, but I'm not going to. I think I'm gonna do it the next one.
I'm adding purple.
I'm adding purple on the next one because I'm gonna be using white glue. Did you use white glue this time?
Yes, I did.
Next time I'm gonna be using white glue, and I will.
See, doesn't this look so pretty?
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start adding to my shaving cream because this is what I've got.
Now I'm going to add my lotion, which is optional.
I put in my lotion already. Wait, I think I'm gonna add it. Wait, here's some glitter right here. I'm gonna use this.
And for this lotion, you might want to buy the Bath and Body Works lotion.
Ooh.
Bath and Body Works lotion works the best.
Yeah, all the other the type I've used, they don't really work that good. I had a little too much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start to add my contact solution, and yeah, you'll start to see it once I.
So now I'm going to start to add my contact solution. And you don't want to add too much.
Which I think I did.
It's okay. You can add more glue.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna have to because this is totally watery.
Dang it. It's only been 4 minutes. I thought it would have took us longer than this.
Okay, I don't know if I added too much.
So
or I
it's
added
starting to
too
come together for me.
much. Yeah, for me now, so don't get your hopes up.
But it is still sticking to my hand. You know it's ready to take out and knead
When it stops
sticking
sticking
to
to
your
the bowl.
hand, to the bowl and to your hands. So you do want to be careful with that sometimes because every time we've made slime, it has not turned out very
Well, except for the last one we made, and if you want us to, at the end of the video, we'll show you.
I think I'm going to go ahead and take mine out. Mine's not sticking.
Yeah.
See? Poke? Nothing. But we do have a solution now for if you do want to take it out, but you don't want it sticking to your hand. So you take your contact solution and you squeeze it into your hand and rub it all over your hands. It works great.
Oh my gosh, it's not like coming together. Did yours come together or no?
It comes together, but it's not very stretchy.
Mine's not coming together, it looks like.
Well, I did add this. I also have another activator that, hey, get in the video, lady. Are you trying to get out this? I just tease it there sometimes. Hers might not work. So.
No, it's starting. It's starting.
Oh, it's working.
Starting.
So mine is ready to be played with. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my slime beads. I'm going to move some stuff so we can see a little better.
Oh, she's adding slime beads to this one. I'll be adding slime beads to my next one.
This is what the slime beads look like.
This is not
And here, I will give you some places, I will link down in the comment section some places that you can get slime beads from and get glue and stuff like that from.
Okay.
Also, contact solution is not very, oh, I forgot to tell you, you do have to add white glue to make it come together.
Yeah, thanks for telling me. Ooh, okay.
It doesn't matter how much I get. So, mine has come together and it looks beautiful.
Yeah, she's just gonna keep showing you hers because I'm not ready for mine yet. And she just got slime on my hands and my rubber bands.
It's okay.
No, it's not. This is not good rubber band.
Slime. I love slime. So,
You should be ashamed of yourself, young lady.
our video will probably be over in like 10. It'll be, the end of our video will probably be around 10. So, sorry about the background noise. Those are our parents. So, yeah. This is not coming together. Well, if it doesn't come together, we will in the video. I'm going to add some more glue because adding glue sometimes helps. Have you ever tried to add baking soda yet? So, gotta get this.
Oh, I do have to add baking soda.
No, you do want to not. So,
We're working on it.
we're working on it right now.
I forgot to add.
I don't add baking soda to mine
Well, if you have it fluffy, you don't have to.
because it doesn't, and she doesn't add fluffiness. I'm going to add a little fluffiness to see what happens because it might help.
No, it's coming together.
Adding shaving cream isn't going to affect it. Oh, can you get in the video, Missy?
Hold on, it's starting. It's so coming together. That baking soda and shaving cream like really helped it. Okay, so move your slime out the way.
So she will probably be using a bag with me. Let me feel.
No, I think I have some containers.
Oh, she might have some containers actually.
Might.
I wish you could, y'all people could smell this. It smells so good. It smells like peaches.
Yeah, that's like beyond. Okay, hold on. Hold on, give it a sec, okay?
Yours, I think you need to add a little bit more lotion to yours. And I think we might be good.
Hold on.
So, now I'm going to go ahead and move your bowl
Hold on.
once you're done.
There's still stuff in here, and whatever stuff is in here, I like to get it because I'm gonna get it all person. I like to get everything that in.
Okay,
So,
go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and move the bowl. Remove the bowl.
And I'm gonna start mixing it in a little bit because there's a little bit of glue down on the bottom. Okay.
So I think our slimes are ready.
Well, no, yours is. You go ahead and demonstrate yours. I'll do mine in a sec.
So my stretchiness looks like this.
Okay, I'm disappointed in this slime.
Let me feel
I
yours.
have to throw it away. Hold on. Okay,
Does it
ready?
stretch well? Hey, it stretches pretty well.
Not that good.
Hey, I'll add some more lotion. Lotion helps.
But if it clicks, I'm fine. I love clicking slime.
There you go.
Click, click, click.
Are you going to add some slime beads?
No, I think I'm gonna add some to my next
Okay.
one.
So, thanks for watching. And please comment down below if you liked it. And give it a big thumbs up.
And don't forget
To subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.